There have been many who have contributed to the microscope world. Today, we will be talking about two important people. First, we will be talking about Robert Hooke, who created the first microscope to see microscopic organisms. He believed that if you took the time to observe something, a lot can be said about science and how people can learn from it. He would make a book about his microscopic discoveries called Micrographia, which showed the cool things that he saw in pictures. Robert studied things like mosquitoes and fossils to find cells in them. One of his most famous discoveries was when he sliced the top off of a cork and studied it under a microscope and saw little room-like shapes, which are now called cells. He would then proceed to making one of the very first microscopes. Next, we will be talking about Leeuwenhoek. He would often make simple microscopes, which could magnify something up to 200 times. Using his strong microscopes, he would study little drops of pond water underneath the microscope and found small cells in it. Another thing that he would do was take scrapings off of his teeth and study them under the microscopes. These two men would greatly contribute to the cell theory and discovery by discovering microbes and creating microscopes.